You have products inside of your house right now that you could be making money off of. Amazon has added a new way for influencers to make money using their platform. Welcome back to another video. I am the Pretty Girl Investor. I teach all things real estate and I teach you how to create multiple streams of income. In today's video, we'll be talking about how you can make an extra stream of income with Amazon's influencer program. They have added a way that you can make money reviewing products by posting videos on their platform. The Amazon influencer program is affiliate marketing. So if you are not familiar with affiliate marketing, all that means is that you are promoting someone else's product and then you get paid a commission if that product sells through your personalized URL or personalized link. Once you record and upload your video will appear in the video section below the product. If you're not already familiar with the Amazon influencer program, it is an affiliate marketing program that Amazon created for influencers. Now, influencer means you have to have some type of influence or some type of following in order to be accepted into this program. But what we are only interested in this video is Amazon review videos, because this is the new way that influencers are getting monetized and are getting paid commission. We just go to affiliateprogram.amazon.com/influencers. Scroll down. In order to monetize and build your storefront, you will need to create a custom page, create content, and then earn money. So make sure that when you are signing up, you include your direct deposit or however you expect to be paid. If you're interested in applying, you would just click sign up, create a new account, or you can sign into your existing account. Once you sign up and you are accepted into the program, that will give you a personalized URL. So every time you review a product, you will link this product to your personalized URL, because that is how you get paid, okay? So if somebody buys a product through your URL, you will earn a commission. So this is my page. I need to use it a lot more often, but this is currently my page. I am addicted to binders. I love cash envelope binders. So if you are looking for that, I definitely have that on my link. It's some of my favorite things. You have some real estate items, some wigs. What we're going to do is we're going to go to Creator Hub. And what is Creator Hub? This is where we will be uploading our Amazon review videos for our products that we will be buying. I do want to point out, if you are just getting started and you have already been accepted into the Amazon influencer program, say if you do not have a lot of money to work with, you can find items around your house that is probably already listed on Amazon and promote those products and make videos of those products. So I feel like this is a very, very cool way for influencers to earn more money. So find something that's laying around your house. For example, this composition book. I am pretty sure that this composition book is on Amazon. Now I've already written in it, and this is my personalized composition book, but this is just an example. If I wanted to make a video about a composition book, I would go to Amazon and I would search for this product just to make sure that I do see the product on Amazon before I make a video of it. And I would just record a video of the product and post it online to the Creator Hub. And if it gets accepted, then I will begin to earn commission if somebody purchases this composition book through my link or through the video that I post. So now we are on Amazon Creator Hub, and I'm going to just scroll down just to show you what the page looks like. So here's where we upload our video. If we click on upload, it will take us to our files to drag and drop or to post our video. The video does have to be in MP4 format. Just to show you an example, I am on a product. I just clicked on a treadmill that I seen on Amazon because I just purchased a treadmill from Amazon, and I wanted to see an example of the types of videos that other influencers are posting. So I went down, and once you record and upload your video will appear in the video section below the product. And it is good because it's giving customers a good chance to actually review the product rather than somebody just writing a comment. They get to actually see what's going on and if they want to buy the product themselves. Also, Amazon does have specific rules that you have to follow. Like, you cannot tell people in your video to leave positive reviews and comments, tell them certain things. You just have to literally like describe the product, say what you like about the product, why you bought the product, if it's, you know, working for you, just things like that. But you can't really add like any personalized touches to your videos, or else they're not going to get approved. You will know that the video is approved if your video does say process. Now, if it does still say draft after you submit a video, then that just means that your video hasn't been accepted yet. You'll earn your commission each time somebody buys a product through your link or through your videos. Another cool thing is you can follow other influencers on Amazon. You can also go to their storefront. So I clicked on her storefront just to see, you know, what all she has. She has a lot of reviews. I actually have a mini treadmill, the same one that you saw in the review video, that I will be reviewing as well. So I will go ahead and do my own Amazon review video, and I will show you guys how it turns out. And if you like this mini treadmill as much as I do, I will be attaching this link below so you can go ahead and purchase it off of Amazon. This is the mini treadmill that I ordered. I got the color white, and it is beautiful. It is very sleek, and it fits just about anywhere. I have it right now in the corner of my room, and it fits perfectly. It comes with a switch. I'm going to show you guys the remote that came with it. Did not take any batteries. It had a plastic tab that I pulled out to activate the remote. I just turned the treadmill on. I'm going to now press the plus button, which counts down and gets the treadmill going. If you want to go a little faster, you can press the plus button or the minus button to slow down. You also can press the pause button on the right side if you want to pause, and if you want to stop, you can press the on and off button. I also found out if you press the middle button, it changes it from calories to this, which is in the middle. I don't know what this is, but I just put it on calories. Or if I wanted just to keep track of the time, I would just stick it on time. Let me know what you think of this treadmill. Would you get it? If so, I will provide the link in the comments. And if you like this mini treadmill as much as I do, I will be attaching this link below so you can go ahead and purchase it off of Amazon. Yes, it is my personalized link. Don't forget to subscribe and join the family, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.